There are 29 private insurance companies in Germany and more than 1,200 different tariffs. Still, the very first thing people do when they start looking into private health insurance is, you guessed it, they Google it. They open 2 or 3 comparison sites and try to make sense of what's out there. Maybe you've done that before too. Many of my international clients tell me the same thing. Nataliya, I've spent hours Googling and trying different comparison tools, and I still don't know how to choose the right plan for me. Maybe that sounds familiar to you. And here's the thing. Online tools only show surface-level data. They ignore your real health needs and your family plans and how long you are going to stay in Germany. And they don't explain what the different tariffs actually mean and what you'll get for your money. There is no tool out there that is available on internet which can compare all 1,200 tariffs in a way that's truly meaningful for you. So if you feel confused or unsure, you're not doing anything wrong. You are just not getting the full picture. That's exactly why I made this video. I'm Nataliya. I'm independent health and wealth advisor. I've been helping international professionals in Germany find the right private health insurance and build wealth for over 12 years. And in this video, I won't give you a fixed answer. Instead, I'll help you take the first steps in choosing the plan that actually fits your life. Let's start here. Before you look at any price, provider, or package, ask yourself these 8 questions. 1. Do I want fast access to specialists, or can I wait weeks for an appointment in the future as well? Do I travel often? Will I need international coverage? 3. Am I planning to stay in Germany long term, or just for a few years? Do I want things like private room in a hospital and access to specialized clinics, just in case of emergency or so? Do I already have a health condition that needs long-term coverage and consideration? Is the plan just for me, or do I want to cover my children or my partner as well? What kind of preventive care matters to me, like dental, mental health, cancer prevention? And last but not least, how important is flexibility for me, especially if I plan to start a family, go on sabbatical, or take parental leave? This isn't just a formality, this is a foundation of your entire health strategy in Germany. Once you know your priorities, it's time to dive in and compare plans, but not just on the surface. First, look at what's included and what's not included. What's excluded from your plan can be just as important. Some plans don't cover certain treatments on purpose, and if you don't know that in advance, you might end up with unexpected bills. So always ask, what would this plan not pay for? And am I okay with that? Then check the real monthly cost of your plan, not just the base price. Make sure you include contributions of your employer, deductibles, co-pays, and very important, possible tax refunds. Sometimes a plan looks cheap until you need something. Look at the long-term premium stability. If you see 2 very similar tariffs, but one is much cheaper and brand new on the market, that could be a red flag. Ask yourself, is this an introductory price to attract new customers, and will it jump up in a year or 2? Then, some insurers are simply better for international clients, especially if you are planning to stay in Germany for just a few years. Such providers offer expat-friendly plans that are much more flexible and available for a lower price. You've probably realized by now, you might have more questions now than before watching this video. And honestly, that's good, because private health insurance in Germany is a huge decision. It only makes sense if your plan truly fits your life, today and in the future. What I do every day is exactly this. I work with my clients to understand their needs, analyze their risks, and guide them to a plan that really fits their health, career, family, and long-term goals. And no, it's not a 10 minutes process. It depends. Do you already know your priorities? Are there existing diagnoses to consider? How much time do you need to compare and understand tariff details? I give my clients as much time and as many consultations as they need, because understanding what's not covered is just as important as knowing what's included in the health insurance plan. And here's something most people forget. The questions don't stop once you've signed for a contract. They just change. With a private health insurance, you'll wonder, should I submit that bill or not? Why don't they cover it? What happened if I change jobs or move? That's why I offer long-term support, not just for choosing a plan, but also for using it. My clients know that they can contact me anytime, and most of them stay with me for years. Private health insurance is complex, but you don't have to figure it out alone. If you want a full overview and deep understanding, join my free live webinar, where I will explain everything you need to know about Germany's health insurance system and how to choose the private plan correctly. Or if you're ready to talk about your situation one-on-one, you can also book a free and non-binding consultation with me. You'll find both links in the description of this video. Your health is your most valuable asset. Let's make sure it's protected today and tomorrow. Your health, your wealth, your future. I'm Nataliya, and I'm here to guide you through Germany's health insurance system in a way that truly works for you. See you in the webinar or in our first call. Just click the links below to register or schedule a consultation with me. Bye!